Heading out there is 172338, and that's on the service from Dorridge to Worcester Foregate Street. The 13:57 departure. And so hello guys, and welcome to the latest video from B-Sacker Videos, and today I am at Olton. There's Olton that's beginning with an O, rather than Olton that has in Olton Towers. Olton with an O. Looks like a half decent station. Olton. Today services will be seen from Chiltern Railways and, on its last day, London Midland. So bit of a London Midland fest today. So London Midland and Chiltern Railways. So let's get started, shall we? Let's get started here at Olton. Right, passing through, we've got some freight. We've got a freight line, this 66506. And actually a lot of flat carriages coming past as well. That's some freight from somewhere to somewhere else. Anyway, off it goes. Right, coming through now, we've got a service from Birmingham Moor Street to London Marylebone. That's 82329 and 68008. That's a Chiltern HST we saw earlier. Coming in now is the 1410 service to Stratford upon Avon from Stourbridge Bridge Junction. Is it 377 or 338 return? It's 334 return. Yeah, 172334. Just couldn't remember which unit it was going to be. We'll see her depart out in a moment. Departing there is a 1410 from Worcester No, it's from Stourbridge Bridge Junction to Stratford upon Avon. 172344. Or no, 334 I should say. Coming in now is the 1420 from Dorridge to Kidderminster. I think 172, I think 337, I think. No, it's 340. 172340 forming the 1420 to Kidderminster from Dorridge. Departing now is 172340 on the 1420 Dorridge to Kidderminster service. passing through 168214 from Birmingham Snow Hill to London Marylebone. Right, passing through now, we've got a service from London Marylebone to Birmingham Snow Hill. And as expected, it's a 168. One 005. Next stop probably would be Birmingham Moor Street, followed by Birmingham Snow Hill. Coming in now, we've got a service to Dorridge from Worcester Shrub Hill.
Service to Dorridge.
Here's a 14:29 departure.
And Dorridge. This train has 3 carriages.
And it's 172331. Departing out, there is 172331, and that's a 14:29 from Worcester Foregate Street to Dorridge. Coming in now is a 14:40 service to Stourbridge Junction from Stratford upon Avon.
Langley Green, Rowley Regis, Old Hill, Cradley Heath, Lyme and Stourbridge Junction.
And it's 172216 and therefore also 172222. Departing out now, 172216 and 172222. And there on the 14:40 to Stourbridge Junction from Stratford upon Avon. Coming through now is a Chiltern HST. .09 and I think 80 something or other, hits something or other on the rear. That's on the pass from London Marylebone to Birmingham Moor Street. Just one more after to go before I conclude here at Olton. Right, coming in now is the final train of this video, and it's a service from Kidderminster to Dorridge, the 14:52 departure. And as this is the final video, the final service of this video, I'm going to say thank you guys for watching my video from Dorridge. If you have liked what you've seen here, then please do like and subscribe. Please leave any comments below, I'll get back to them as and when I can. It's 172335 on the service. Any recommendations, please do leave them below. Any other comments, please leave them below. Olton has been a decent station to film at. I know I've only done a quick snippet of it today. Probably only about 11 minutes of it in total. In an hour, plus nearly an hour here. But I'd probably come back here again, by which time there'll be West Midlands trains instead of London Midland. My next station is Acox Green, so please do join me there. In the meantime, thank you for watching. I'll film this train going out, then say goodbye. There goes 172-335 to Dorridge from Kidderminster. And as that departs, I'm going to say cheerio, see you all in Acox Green.